Everybody in the rocket.
We're in the rocket.
Don't press the button yet. We need to wait for you.
I wanna
Come on,
go.
guys, in the rocket.
Bro, you know.
Yeah, Rupert, just go in. It's alright. Just go in and press the button.
Rupert, shoot!
I
I didn't bring a bag!
Ah, help! Help!
I didn't bring a
Help! Oh no! No! Ah! Guys, and be very quiet.
Where's the tape?
I'll tell you when we get there.
Near the end.
Rupert,
Be very careful. Guys, I have an idea. Go right.
head to the scuttling.
Go right. In. No, we need them. Get in.
What, is it there?
We'll just get
About
here
your
for a
vial. Midnight.
I'm sleeping up here. Rupert, you need to get your own sleeping spot.
bit. Night.
I think we're gonna die.
If you look like, don't open the door. I will shut the door. Guys, one has to move. Stop. Freeze. I see it. It's moved. Come on, this way. It's moved. Revive. Open the door now. Wait, where's Rupert? Uh-oh. Rupert's dead.
I'm scared for life. Screamed at me.
Stay still.
We're good.
Ollie, why aren't you talking? Ollie?
Go, go, go. Let's go. Jesus, that was traumatizing. Oh no!
Oh yeah, we can.
Move.
I can't do that! Can't have a fan!
Skellster, come on.
Okay, he made it. It's okay. He's done. He's done. It knows we're here. We'd have to be quick. Don't go up there. Don't go up there. No. Up there.